Welcome. Today we are going to learn introduction of human geography and our topic is branches of human geography. So first of all, human geography, the study of the interrelationship between people, place and environment and how this varies spatially and temporally across between a location. The branches of human geography. First branches is population geography. Population geography is divided into two branches. First one is urban population geography, and second one is rural population geography. Then second important branch of human geography is economic geography, and its sub branches is agriculture geography, trade and commercial geography, transport geography, and industrial geography. Then third important branch is settlement geography and its sub branch is urban settlement and rural settlement. Okay. Then the fourth one is social geography, fifth one is cultural geography, sixth one is political geography, seventh one is military geography, eighth one is medical geography, tourism geography, urban geography, hazard geography, and geographical thought. This is the very important branches of human geography we have studied in deeply. So the first branch of human geography is population geography. The population geography is a study of demography from the geographical perspective. The population geography is a help to understand the uh, various facts preparing to the spatial variation in the distribution of human population across the earth with the reference to the political, cultural and social economic environment. The branches of population geography is urban population geography. In the urban population geography, the studying urban population with characteristics, and a rural geography, the rural population geography studied in a rural population with characteristics. Okay. The second branch is a settlement geography. The Jordan in 1966 emphasized the settlement geography, not completely investigate a distribution, but even more than a structure, process, and interaction between the settlement in its environment, such as soil, geomorphology, economy, or society, which produce them. A settlement geography describe and explain the settlement, location, substance from structure as well as a function of process that produce them. Our time settlement geography is the study of human land, water and resource use, a population density pattern and settlement growth. The branches of settlement geography is urban settlement. In the urban settlement geography, the study of urban settlement pattern with characteristics, and rural settlement geography is the study of the rural settlement pattern with characteristics. The third important branch of economic human geography is economic geography. Economic geography deals with a primary, secondary, and tertiary and quinary sector of the economy, availability and distribution of natural resources, productivity and their role, industrial development. This subject focus on the role of geographical elements in the growth of economy of the region of the world. It also deals with energy crisis, food and nutrition, so nutrition problems and patterns of the world trade. The first one, the sub branches of economic geography is, first one is agriculture geography. Agriculture geography deals with agriculture problem and prospectus and types of agriculture, types of pattern of agriculture. The all things are studied and included into the agriculture geography. The second one is the trade and commercial geography. The commercial geography is intellectually interested into the study of geographical facts relating to the commerce. According to the Clislomus, to economic geography may a study of influence of geographical condition on the trade. Some geographical factors are necessary to product of any kind of commodity. And third branch is Transport geography is a sub discipline of geography of concern about the mobility of people, uh, freight and information, and its spatial organization, considering the attribute and con- constraint related to the origin, uh, extent, nature, and purpose of the movement. The fourth branch is industrial geography. It is branch of geography that deals with a location of industry, geographical factors that influence their location and development, the raw material uses in them, the distribution of their finished product, and marketplaces. The social geography is examine the relationship of a group of people with on another. It's emphasize on how these social relationship affect the place where people live, work, and entertain each other. Uh, the tribe, dialect, languages, caste system, region, and concept. The social well-being also the study of under the social geography. The next branch is geography. Human geography is cultural geography. The cultural heritage, architecture, and civilization have grown through over several centuries. Under this context, context, the subject culture geography got evolved. Cultural geographies examine the location and extent of a belief of custom of of other cultures. Geographical distribution of cultural practices are studied in the subject. Emphasis is also given to the study of cultural region and area there is of human race, tribe groups, dwelling place, and culture of expressions. The next branch is political geography. Political geography deal with geopolitical global strategies, views, and trends. Concept of the state, nation, and national states, boundaries, foreigners, political instability, and a pattern of voting. It also emphasizes the study of the way of people in a different place make a decision or gain the use power within the political system. The federalism and politics of the word of resource also the study of under the political geography. The next branch is military geography. The military geography is the study of the way of which militarism and military activities are geographically constituted and expressed. Then medical geography. The medical geography is concerned with the analysis of spatial pattern of disease and the health care provision. John M. Hunter famously defined as the field of this the application of geographical concept and techniques of the health related problems. Okay, the next branch is tourism geography. Tourism geography is a branch of human geography that is studies of a tourist place, their situation, and the potential tourist center, infrastructure facility, and other aspects of tourism. In the tourism geography, there three basic concepts are important, which is transport, location, and accommodation. The next branch is urban geography. The urban geography deals with location and extend to the cities, town, and municipalities and their patterns. The geographical importance of location in the development of cities is the prime focus of this subject. Organize the growth of cities, their communities, including slum urban morphology, are studied in urban geography. Analyze the problem and remedies of urbanization and sustainable development of cities also come under this subject. Then hazard geography. The hazard geography is Earth is a dynamic plant, and the natural hazards are happen every few minutes. These disasters are dangerous to the life. It is under this issue the subject of hazard geography got evolved. Hazards geography is a modern branch of geography mainly dealing with the nature and man-made hazards, locations and locations of disaster, impacts of disaster management uh, initiatives. The subject also include the topics of like landslide, earthquake, the tsunami, flood, and droughts, and epi- epidemics. The hazards geography construct of various ecological issue and remedies, zonation mapping and Metigon's method. Geographical thoughts. The study of geographical thoughts deals with general characters of a geographical knowledge during the ancient and medieval period. The foundation of development of the modern geography, determinism and possibilism are different differentiation and spatial organization. The study of era of the exploration, navigation and human thinking in the terms of hospitality. Geographical aspects are there analyzed in the subject. The historical geography is a study of the place of region specified of the period of the past of the study of geographical changes in the place of region over the period of time. The historical geography has retained its and identity and distinction to, although historical geography have not distanced themselves from the changes of elsewhere in the discipline with which their focus on interpreting the past from available evidence. Thank you very much.